Hi guys. I'm in Paris right now. First time. See? See? Janet! It's nice in here, huh? Oh my god, that's my dream. And I just find out the Liberty Towers from France. The Liberty Towers is there. You cannot see there, but it's over there. Yeah, it's original. So my dream is to go to see Liberty Tower and then Eiffel. Ulala. Okay. Later na lang. This is wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. There's a Paris. Eiffel Tower though. It's nice.
なんだかわかんない。お料理来た頃にはこうやって食べてくれて。ああ、すごいすごい。ああ、すごい。エッフェル塔にね。これここまで乗って1階がもうこの高いの。乗って1階なんでしょ。これが1階って言ったんですね。高い1階なのね。おお、高い。うん、セーヌ川がよく見える。
Voilà, messieurs, dames, le restaurant Madame Brasserie. This is the floor for the restaurant Madame Brasserie.
Birthday to you.
Thank you. Oh,
Happy birthday to you.
thank you.
Happy birthday to you, madam. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I'm old now.
Don't say that.